Summit from grade 11 ABM. Today I want to share my thought about politics and corruption. Politics and corruption is a serious issue that undermines society by diverting resources from school, hospital, and infrastructure. In recording faith in democracy, it happens when leaders put personal gain ahead of the public good. To fight corruption, we need government to be transparent and accountable with strong independent institutions to investigate and prosecute wrongdoers. Citizens must be always be engaged, demanding integrity from the leader. Ultimately, ethical leadership is the key to creating culture of honesty and accountability, ensuring brighter future for all. Thank you.